All right. So my network did go off. It did trip off. So apologies for that. But I am back. Okay, yeah. So my network did trip off. Apologies for that. For the people that were here and that may have left, I'm sorry about that. Please do come back. And yeah, I would just hang for a couple of my network right now is coming in and going out. So if I freeze at any point, sorry about that. So yes, I've used this live stream like I said earlier. I'm not sure if as my network tripped off, the stream ended or it continued. But I know that I plan to use this stream to answer questions about basics of Python and and get to know more about everyone. Hi Ellie. Hi. So yeah, I plan to use this stream to answer anyone's question on how to get started in Python. I may not be confident enough to answer like advanced questions, but if it's basics of Python, how to get started in Python, because I currently have a playlist where I have 3 videos, and I aim to have a full Python tutorial course for beginners. And yes, I'm doing good. My day is doing great. Just that I'm having network issues, which is driving me crazy, but just a little bit. And I hope you are doing good as well. Uh now I really don't know what to say. Um but yeah, as I was saying earlier, if you have any question on how to get started in Python, anything on basics of Python. I currently have videos on how to install Python on a Mac, um, some information about Python documentation, and okay, then data types in Python, and I just released another video today about conditionals in Python. Conditionals being if statements, else statements, and else statements. Okay, I have a question. Do I have any recommendation on where to learn Python for the very first time? So yes, I do, and no, it's not my channel. But yeah, if you are learning Python for the first time, you can check out Corey Schaefer's playlists because my playlist is still a work in progress, so I would not promote that right away. Yeah, you can try that. It's maybe outdated because I know that I learned Python 4 years ago, 3 4 years ago, and over the years they've been new updates, new fixes. So it may be a bit out of date, but that was my go-to. Another person is Dennis Ivy's YouTube channel. He does have videos on Python and Django. And last but not the least, my small playlist. Yeah, with this playlist you should be able to learn more. And if you are someone that enjoys um learning through articles, I would also advise you to um check out Free Code Camp's Python um tutorial. I know that that's the one that I have been able to try, and it's really good. So yeah, if you are someone that don't really enjoy learning with videos, you enjoy learning with articles, that's and there's a book that I'm trying to remember the name of the author. That book is really good. Probably I would leave it in a comment if I can remember it during the stream. I will leave it in the comment of this video. Awesome. So I think I will just talk more about my upcoming play, well, not the upcoming videos for the Python playlist. So yes, I currently have a playlist on this YouTube channel because this YouTube channel is still very very new, very very new. So I do have, maybe not relevant to Python, but how can you focus on studying one thing at a time? Sometimes I feel like there are so many things I want to learn. How can you focus studying on one thing at a time? Actually, this is something that I face. This is something that I face almost every day, because I okay, now I created this channel to niche on Python because Python is something that I really really know. Like, you can ask me a question on Python in my sleep and I'll be able to defend it. But I'm also a developer advocate, and I also love to share more about DevRel and dev advocacy. So an advice I will give you if you're trying to focus on studying one thing at a time is for you to have a roadmap, or for you to have like a learning plan where you should give yourself um time for you to focus on one thing. So I would advise you giving yourself 4 to 6 months for you to learn the basics of a programming language. I said 4 to 6 months because some people can learn this in 2 months, some people can learn this in 3 months, some would need a longer time. And when you are learning this, give yourself the opportunity for you to feel like you shouldn't know everything at once, because I mean you are learning. That's why you are learning. Because if you do know everything, then you will not need to learn. So yes, give yourself the opportunity for you to fail as you're learning, and try to just try to build projects or do things that surround that stuff you're currently learning. So right now, if you're learning Python, I would advise you, as you learn a concept a day, like let's say today you learn on conditionals, try to build small projects or just build something small about conditionals. That would excite your brain for your next class on Python. So I think this is a good way for you to study one thing at a time, and I hope I was able to give you an answer. Yes, I too am very, very excited for my upcoming videos, and I hope it turns out well. Hi Krish. It's really nice to see that people actually watching me. So hi Krish. If you have any question on how to get started in Python, you have any doubts, or you just want to ask me how my YouTube channel is going, because it's like I'm learning things every day. Yeah, you can just ask, and I think this is why this is a Q&A. I'm here to answer your questions. Yeah. So yeah, while I wait for the questions to come, so for my upcoming videos, I already recorded videos on loops in Python. But I did have an issue because I mistook for loop for while loop. And but the next video would be on loops in Python, and I'm trying to build a consistency where I get to push out a video every Friday. So fingers crossed I get that, or fingers crossed I actually follow this through. So every Friday on this YouTube channel, you can do well to subscribe. And the playlist, you can also share it with anyone that is currently learning Python. And every Friday, I will be sharing a video. I'm trying to break it and simplify the concept as simple as possible so that anyone, absolutely anyone, regardless of your age or regardless of your expertise level, you will be able to understand that. So yeah, today's video was on conditionals, if statements, else statements, and else if statements. Next week video would be on loops in Python, for loops, while loop, and yeah, that's. Oh, hi, Krish. I'm doing very well, and you? I hope you are doing great. And how is your channel and and podcast coming along as well? Oh, I don't know if well, actually, I'm a bit nervous because this is the first time I'm going on a live stream on this channel, and I really don't know how you that go live do this because because it feels I'm talking to myself, but seems that there are three people watching, so I'm talking to you all and myself, and yeah. Also, another thing I wanted to ask your opinion is in terms of the formats in the video, because I'm very, very new to video content, I'm very new to YouTube, I'm very new to all this. What video format would you love to do? Would you love me to do? What video format has works for you if you currently have a channel? And yeah, and is there anything specific in Python that you would love me to create a video about? Because I feel like if I listen to the viewers and I create video based on their needs, it feels like I'm giving back to the community. So yeah, just let me know in the comments about this. Wow, Krish, this is very, very nice. And I missed the one with Ellie, and I'm really, really, really hoping I don't miss the one with Utba. Utba. Okay. Oh, I think it would be. I think if you made a simple console game or project in Python, that would be so cool if I could try it out. Console game, console like a CLI project. Is that what you mean? Because if that is, then I think I can work on something and create the video on that and also share or upload it to GitHub and share that as well. So if you mean a CLI, then yes, I will consider that. Uh Krish says, I think there are a bunch of courses online, so you should skip the course part and do the fun project parts. I see. All right, all right. Okay. So let me just drop this down in my idea journal. Project ideas, create an interactive, fun CLI game. Okay, yes. So a CLI game. Awesome, awesome. I actually don't know how to create a game in Python, but I know that you can use. Oof, is it PyQuit? There's a library that I know that you can use to create user interfaces in Python. I haven't learned that yet, but I think this could be a learning opportunity for me as well. Krish says, also, I would suggest that when you're starting, keep your videos relatively short. Yes. So, this is actually what I am currently doing. So, first of all, I don't know if it's because of TikTok or because of YouTube Short, but I've noticed I do have a short attention span, especially when it comes to videos. And I know that a lot of people out there do face the same thing. So I'm trying to keep my video as short as possible. If you check the playlist, all my videos are it has 6, 7, 8, 10 minutes. I think the least the most I have recorded should be 14 minutes, but I'm not sure I've shared that yet. So yes, I try to keep the videos relatively short as possible. And another thing I've been trying to do, I've been experimenting with, is to ask question in between the videos and see if it will be engaging, to say the least. Okay, yes. So a simple project that shows basic Python stuff. Okay, let me just jot this down. Uh, I wishing. Thank you very much, Chris. I really really appreciate it. To be honest, when I started this channel, I wasn't sure that uh, 30 people. Okay, we are 42 now. 42 subscribers. I wasn't sure that I would get this much support, and having you watch my videos, comment, take out your precious time to hear what I have to say has been very, very wholesome and has been very, very sweet. So yes, thank you, Krish. And I'm really, really looking forward to your podcast with Udba. Also, if you want, we could also do a podcast. Just putting myself out there. Okay. I can do 10 to 15 minutes video on discovering basics of Python with projects. Now, this is interesting. I never thought about this. This is interesting. Basics of Python with a project. So it means that every project, every concept of Python, let's say conditionals or loops, I would explain that, but in a project. That's an amazing idea. Let me just jot this down. So it's like project based learning. Oh, this is really really good. Yeah. And at the end of the project, people are interested, they continue watching and then they learn some basics of Python. Yeah, this idea is very, very solid. I would definitely give this a try. Yeah. Yeah, maybe it could be okay, choose like 4 to 5 basics and do a project with it. To be honest, I never thought about this, but or from my experience, project based learning is an amazing idea. Like it's way better and less boring than when you're just learning just what are data types, what are conditionals, etc. etc. Yeah, that's good. And yes, Krish, let us do a podcast together. Yes. Yeah. Oh, thanks, guys. So now I've gotten like 3 ideas, oh, and I would definitely have to work on this. Oh, and then another thing I needed to ask is, now I noticed that there are some channels that don't have subtitles embedded in the video. They have it as an SRT on YouTube. And when if the user or the viewer wants to wants the subtitle, they can click it. If they don't want, they can unclick it. So what do you guys think about me adding the subtitle in the video? Because I know that I do that, but I don't know if it helps you. So you as all right, bye Ellie. Bye. So you as the viewer, what do you think? Would you want the subtitles embedded in the video or not? Let me know. Um yeah, and then another question would be, okay, well, just answer that first. I have actually forgotten the second question I was going to ask. Okay. Okay. So I just need to download the SRT and add it. So I just need to look for a way to get the SRT and add it um as an option. Noted, 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 noted. Okay. Adding that to my to do. So okay. Okay. All right. What other question do I have? Okay, so if you've watched this current video that I just dropped, um the one where I made some mistakes, what do you guys think about that? Was it noticeable? Was it not noticeable? And yeah, the other question I wanted to ask, when you're watching a video and you get questions in between the video, because I know that Mosh do this. For me, it's sort of engaging and it teases my brain um for me to see if I really understood what he just said. So what do you guys think about that? Should I continue? Is this something that would be engaging to you? Let me know about that. Oh yeah, that's fine. You can take your time. Because I did put out a tweet yesterday about it, and Francesco and Kevin said that I shouldn't really worry about that because initially I thought that it was a big deal. Um, so I'm so they were like I shouldn't need to worry about that or overthink that. So yeah. Yes, adding questions in the middle of the video. Like, okay, let me give an example. Let's say I am making a video on loops. Yeah, I'm making a video on, let's say, for loops in Python, and I showed the code example. Yeah, I showed the code example, and asked a question before I run the project. Like, what do you think this output would be? Do you think that that would be engaging? I think that's what I mean by adding, sorry, by asking questions in the middle of the video. So yeah, that's what I'm thinking. I just think that that would be engaging. So yeah, that's what I mean. Like I ask, what do you think the response would be, or what do you think this or where do you think the error is coming from? Stuff like that. Awesome. Okay, so adding that. Okay, I can say, hey, post the video and comment it below before I continue. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Yeah, awesome, awesome, awesome. Thank you for this. Thank you for this. Thank you for this. So, Krish, do you have any question you want to ask me? I I think am free for another 20 minutes. So, do you have any question you want to ask? I I get that basics of Python may be like very limiting, but yeah, I am aiming to be Sophia the Python girl, as said according to Ellie. But yeah, so far the suggestions that Ellie and Krish has given me were amazing. and I will definitely add that in the channel. Oh yeah, let me know. Just comment the suggestion and let's see if it's something I can do. Oh, recursion in easy word. Wow. Do you know that the recursion in easy words? Oh, it's been tough for you learning recursion. Okay. Wow. I would consider this. Let me just add this to my to do. Create a video on recursion. I hope I actually don't confuse you. That's just it. I hope I do not confuse you. Yes, I have added this to my to do. So is this like, are you learning the recursion on your own, or is it part of your syllabus, like your schoolwork? It's hoodies overflowing. I mean, I definitely won't do everything at once. So I would like look for a way to balance it and schedule this, because I'm currently in my final semester and my exams are coming up in a month. So I would try not to do everything at once so I don't burn out and I also have time for my school. So yeah. Hi, Francesco. Yes, it's working now. Initially, my network tripped off on my phone and my router, so I had to do a hard reset on the router for it to come back. And yes, it's working now. Okay. No, it's just to code on your own. Okay, besides school. All right, all right. Let's see how that goes. Let's see how that goes. Yeah, if I do that, I would share that with you, and I hope I do not confuse you. But yeah, you say welcome to the world of live stream. Like it was quite funny because I'm just coming home and my network was perfect. Like I had a call, I watched a couple of videos on my way home, and I got home. It was working great. I turned on Restream, and for some reason, everything tripped off. I checked my phone, and there was no network at all. Oh, I'm slowly learning. I'm slowly learning how live stream works. Okay. Speak naturally and don't complicate it if that's well. Okay. Noted, noted, noted. I will try as much as possible to not confuse myself so I don't confuse him. But yeah, recursion, added that to my to do. The to do list is overflowing. It's overflowing. Thanks, Krish. All right, bye. I might probably end the stream soon. Um, but thank you all for coming. Thank you all for asking question. And Krish, thank you very much for the project idea or the video ideas that you gave me. And I hope, yeah. So, oh no, that's fine. I really appreciate. Hopefully, I get to do this another time with better internet. So yeah. Well, shout out to Francesco for this idea. He was the one that gave it to me. So yeah, bye, Krish. So I think I've just stay here for a couple more minutes because I do have a meeting in 10 minutes. Yeah, we do. Yeah, we do. So yeah, if you got any questions on Python, or you actually have a suggestion for me, because I am all for taking suggestion and I'm all for implementing your suggestion, because I'm creating the videos for you to help you learn better and to teach me or to teach myself that I can help you learn better. So yeah, let me know. So okay. Uh Oh, and then again, just to get your opinion on this, um, on my next stream, because I know that I would want to do a next stream. On my next stream, is there a particular topic you want me to talk about? That's it has to be within Python though. Or it's there someone that you really admire in Python that you want me to invite. Like we could stream together, we could talk about Python, or we could geek out together in Python. Let me know as well. Oh, more people are coming. That's fun. To everyone that's just coming, hi. This is a very chill live stream, the very first on my YouTube channel. Uh, yeah. Oh, and I probably should have done this at the beginning of the stream. I should have done it at the beginning of the stream, but let me know where you are watching the stream from. I'm from Nigeria, so I'm watching the. Sorry, I'm recording this. I'm recording this from Nigeria, so let me know where you are watching the stream from. Thank you. Okay, so far, hi Richard. I don't think I have connected with you one on one, Richard, and I would love to do that. So be expecting a DM from me to have a coffee chat with you sometime soon. Italy, New Jersey, that's nice. Yeah, definitely, definitely. Okay, so before Richard and Francesco came, Ellie and Krish gave me some ideas on how to create better videos. Number one was they suggested that I should create videos based on I should do project based learning. So instead of me to just create a video on for loops or conditionals or data types in Python, I can combine 4 to 5 um Python concepts and use that to create a video. So in the video, the viewers would be not just learning the concept, but also putting that in practice, like seeing how that can be used in a real world or in a real project. So that's one. Krish said I should special request from him. I should create a video on recursion. Hi Lawrence, how you doing? Hope your day is going great. Yeah, let me know where you are watching the stream from as well. Yeah, so Chris said I should create a video on recursion. So I hope I do not confuse him, and I will definitely do that because I am all for listening to the viewers. Um yeah, and then another thing was he said that adding the subtitles in the video may not be the best idea, and I should try uploading the SRT to the YouTube. Or I should upload the SRT to YouTube so that viewers can easily um, turn the caption on or turn the caption off. If you think that's a good idea, let me know. And Richard said yes to recursion. Okay. Fingers crossed I don't confuse you all. And I think, yeah, those were the okay, yeah. And then another thing I asked was, what do you think, like you as the viewer, let's say you come across a YouTube video, and there's a question in the middle of the video, like let's say I created a video on how to use switch case statements in Python, or how that works in Python. And in between the video, I go like, hey, pause, let me know what you think the output of this function would be. Um, and comment, and drop your reply or your response in the comments. What do you think about that? Do you think that that would be good? Do you think that it would help make the video more engaging and not just me spewing out knowledge to them? Because I did that in I think I did that in this current video. The one I released today, I did that in the video, and I'm hoping that that would make it more engaging. Yeah. So just do let me know about that. Oh, and then another thing, I am taking suggestions. So if you have any idea, or if you have any suggestion on how I can improve the channel, or how I can improve the videos, let me know as well. Like I said, I really, really, really love feedbacks, because I genuinely feel like feedback helped me grow, and it helps me become better. When I became a technical writer, having feedback from the editors that reviewed my articles, or having feedback from my friends, or people that I shared the articles with, really helped me. So yeah, give me your feedback. Okay. Richard said, yeah, it depends on your audience. I'm not a content creator, so I can't say for sure. All right, all right, all right. So, but okay. So I think I'm asking you now, you necessarily don't have to be a content creator, but if you come across a video that the in the video it goes like, hey, pause the video and let me know what the output will be in the comments, do you think that it would help you to understand the concept, or to understand what that video is all about? Because I think it will. As personally, that was something that helped me when I watched Moshe's video. I think after um a concept, that if it's a 1 hour video, after a concept or after a particular topic in the programming language, he always goes and pause, let me know in the comments what you think this answer is, stuff like that. Okay, said for me personally, I prefer to code alongside the video. All right, all right, all right, all right, awesome. So code alongside the video. Okay, taking note of this as well. Okay, because I do know that I try as much as possible to show code examples, so it's not just that I'm speaking or I'm talking about the concepts in that language. When I try to explain it, I also try to show a code example and explain the code line by line. So I think this your input has helped me as well. Awesome. Okay, so I would be ending the stream now. It's been 39. Okay, it's been 40 minutes already. So thanks everyone for coming to listen to me talk about my channel. And thank you all for the inputs. Thank you for the suggestion. And I will definitely implement all of them. So yeah, thank you. And yes, it's been 40 minutes and I am nervous because I feel I'm just talking without like I just feel I'm talking to myself because I'm looking at myself. So I feel I'm talking to myself. But yeah, it's been 40 minutes. Hopefully I get to do this stream again. Um, so yes, every Friday I'm looking forward to dropping a video on my playlist. Python. Let me just get the name of the playlist right this time. Python crash course tutorials for beginners. Yes. So every Friday, probably morning hours, I'm in Nigeria. So probably 8 to 9 a.m. West African time. Yeah, I hope to release a video on that playlist. I'm really, really hoping that this will be a platform for me to share what I know in Python with anyone who is curious to know what Python is, because Python is not just a snake, is an amazing tool. So I'm really hoping to use this channel to share that knowledge. And yes, and so yeah, that's all I think. So thanks everyone for coming. Do have a nice day and bye.